And amid the rising cases, yet another incident of COVID norms being violated, this time from Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh. Devotees participating in festival rituals. We had those pictures coming from Kurnool earlier, and now pictures coming in from Sri Akkamba temple at Kalyandurg in Anantapur district. Aneri taking us to the details. Aneri.
Well, that's right, Niranjan. Now, this is second incident which we have been reporting on the COVID violations in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Well, Andhra Pradesh has been witnessing the huge number of COVID cases in the past few days. Well, in the last 24 hours, we had seen Andhra Pradesh reporting 4,000 cases, and now this is yet another incident of festivals being celebrated in Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh, where we have seen thousands of devotees, hundreds of devotees coming together, not a single person wearing mask. And also at the same time, earlier also we had reported one more incident from Kurnool district where a New Year celebrations had taken place, and now this is one more incident which has taken place in Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh, where thousands of devotees coming together, no social distancing, not a single person wearing mask, huge gathering at the temple premises, as we have been seeing the festival mode here in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Well, earlier it was Kurnool and now it's Anantapur district, where hundreds of devotees, thousands of devotees came together. But now we have to see what will be the further directions being issued by the government in this regard, as we have been seeing number of cases rising day by day in the state of Andhra Pradesh and also in the state of Telangana as well. But yes, Andhra Pradesh has witnessed huge spike in cases from the last few days. We have been seeing number of cases increasing. In the last 24 hours, 4,157 cases were reported, and so we have to see what will be the further administration's take on this. Will the COVID norms be stricter this time? Will they be announcing any kind of curbs, any kind of restrictions? That remains to be seen from the government's end. But yet, no announcement from the government side as of now, because we have been seeing the festivals continue and people continue to visit the temples, as it's a Telugu New Year which is being celebrated by the people of Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, thank you for that. Thank you for that. In different parts of the country, from Rajasthan to several districts in Andhra Pradesh, to even Karnataka, to even Uttarakhand, where the Kumbh Mela was on, we've been getting you pictures of COVID violations.